Hello and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. Today I'm filming on my new DJI Action 4. I'm in my one of my favorite places, which is Copland Forest. So first I want to try this camera. So I'm here on the Copland downhill. I'm gonna do one run with the camera and then I'm gonna go to Rokopotamus and I'm gonna compare this with my GoPro 11. So let's go and do the Copland downhill. Alright, so Copland downhill, one of my favorite trails. It's November 16. Very nice weather we had. Couple of blips on the ground. But I guess they are blowing the trails here. Seems faster when there's leaves in the trees and bushes around. DJI is on my chesty, the GoPro chesty on its own mount. Okay, not doing that. All right. Alright, so we got at the beginning of Rokopotamus. First is gonna be the DJI. Well, basically both cameras are gonna be like side to each other. So before going to Rokopotamus, just want to ask you, please consider to subscribe. It's free. It's gonna help me and help the channel. So let's go and do Rokopotamus. So the commentary is going to be from the DJI. The wind cancellation on the DJI because I don't have a wind muffler, but although I think that the one from the GoPro is fitting anyway. Both cameras 4K, 30 frames per second, ultra wide on the DJI. Actually the GoPro is gonna be on a 5K, but because it doesn't allow the hyper view on a 4K 30 frames per second.
So after looking at these videos, both of them, I can draw a couple of conclusions. So basically the DJI is a little bit wider on the sides, although GoPro is a little bit wider on the top and bottom. Also, the DJI has the colors, although both of the cameras are on natural, no post-processing. The colors on the DJI are a little bit more lifelike. GoPro is actually overdoing it even in its natural color. So also I think the DJI, the stabilization is handling a little bit better than GoPro in this situation.
Wow. Alright guys, so that was it. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.